All right, so for today's writing lesson, we are going to be focusing on the number 1. Now, I know some of you have already done this worksheet, but this is going to be a mini lesson on how I would like you to continue practicing your number 1s at home. So I asked you to make a sandpaper number. So Miss Hines has hers here. This is my number 1, and I have my worksheet ready and a pen so that when I'm starting to write, I'm ready to go. Now, the first thing I want us to do is get our sandpaper number, put it down, one hand to hold it so it doesn't do this. We don't want it to move around. Then I would like you to take your 2 fingers and practice saying that writing rhyme while you trace on the number. So let's go. For number 1, we say, downward stroke, my, that's fun. Now we've made our number 1. Let's do that again. Remember, we start at the top and we come down to us. So let's go again. Downward stroke, my, that's fun. Now we've made our number 1. Great job. I'm going to move that over to the side. And then I'm going to get my paper ready to go. And I'm going to get my pen ready also. Now, we have quite a few number 1s to practice, so let's get started. The first one has already been done for us, and as you can see, they've put an arrow pointing down to show us which way we have to write our number. So we're going to start at the top. Look at how I'm holding my paper so that it doesn't move around. We want it to stay in its position. So I'm going to hold it carefully and get my hand ready. Remember how we hold the pencil, the pen, or the crayon, 2 fingers on top and 1 underneath to give it support. Now let's go. We're going to start at the top. Downward stroke. My, that's fun. Now we've made our number 1. You see how I stayed on my line? I didn't make it a squiggly line. It's a straight line down. Let's go again. Downward stroke. My, that's fun. Now we've made our number 1. And as you can see, as I move across, I'm going to move my hand over so that the paper doesn't move. And I'm taking my time. Start at the top, downward stroke. My, that's fun. Now we've made our number 1. And I'm taking my time. I'm not rushing the job. I want to be able to get all the way down to the bottom so that I can try doing the number 1s by myself. So I'm going to start here at this dot now. Because the dot tells me where to start. I'm going to put my pen on it and I'm going to go straight down. Downward stroke. My, that's fun. Now we've made our number 1. I'm going to go again. Start at that dot. Downward stroke. My, that's fun. Now we've made our number 1. I would like you to continue practicing writing your number 1s at home. Make sure you finish the entire worksheet for me all the way down and try your number 1s by yourself at the bottom.